Also in Washington, CBS News political director John Dickerson. John, good morning.
Good morning, Charlie.
Let's begin with the question, what do the numbers tell us and what do they not tell us?
Well, they are bad, as everybody thought they would be, and in a sense, that's an old story. What the numbers don't tell us is sort of how the health of the website. If you look at, say, the number of applications that came in through that federal system, a third of them came in on paper, sort of the old-fashioned way. So some of these numbers, as small as they are, really don't tell us anything about the health of the website. And we also don't know anything about whether, if people are getting through the online system, that handoff to the insurance companies, that is still a big problem and doesn't look like it's been fixed. Secretary Sebelius encouraged people to come back to the website because they think it's working much better now. That is either a sign of confidence or worrisome because people will come back and not be able to have it work.
John, perhaps even more worrisome from the president is Democrats in his own party who are in revolt and furious. Senator McCaskill said yesterday these problems are inexcusable and embarrassing. They're suggesting a number of fixes. Are they going to abandon the president with these votes on Capitol Hill?
It doesn't look like they're going to abandon him yet. Here's what I can gather from my reporting on this. Democrats, all of them, want to show that they're doing something. They can't just sit around and wait for the end of November when this website is supposed to get fixed. And they're angry at the White House for two reasons. One, that the White House didn't listen in the advance of the launch of this website. And now the answers they're getting are not very fulfilling. So they are not abandoning the whole enterprise, but they need to show their constituents that they're doing something, either putting pressure on the White House or coming up with something that looks like they're fixing it, because they can't just sort of sit and hope for the best.
So what can they do, the White House, that they are not doing?
Well, they can do one of two things. You see a little movement on the question of a legislative fix. Senior administration official told me this morning they're open to some kind of a legislative fix. That in part is because they're getting pressure, and there is a House Republican legislative fix that the White House doesn't like at all because it undermines the Affordable Care Act. The White House is also searching for some kind of administrative fix that they can basically put forward that would make these people whole, people who are having their insurance policies canceled, and find some way to make it work so that they can keep those policies. But the real danger is if you help those people too much, you remove the incentives to get into the system, and getting into the system is what they need to have happen for the system to be healthy.
All right, John, thank you.